just is a massive device. Maybe I'm just saying that because I'm used to using the iPhone 7. I'm currently trying to do like a iOS change and give you guys, you know, my feedback. If you missed the video on the initial switch, I'll link it up on card now. But the phone is big, man. I do like the overall design of the Note 10 though. You got this triple camera setup in the back, and I actually like the way they did this versus how the Google Pixel 4 and the iPhone are doing theirs with kind of that square module. Here you got the 3 camera layout. You're getting wide, ultra wide, and telephoto cameras on the back, as well as a flash and your depth sensor for portrait mode and things like that. Gone are the days of the headphone jack. It's not here. It's gone. You just got that Type-C port at the bottom. That's it. You're gonna either want to get you some Bluetooth headphones or a Type-C connector, adapter. You know what I'm talking about. One thing I'm not a huge fan of on the Note 10 is that there's no buttons whatsoever on the right side. Your volume rocker and your power button are both found on the left side of the device. When I'm holding it like this, I'm used to having my thumb, you know, activate the power, you know, changing volume and everything like that. It was all done with my thumb. It's kind of awkward to have everything on the left side of the device, so not a big fan of that. Everything else though, I'm pretty happy about. Like I said, I really love the design of the Note 10. Now, do I wish this wasn't a dummy phone? Absolutely, but for this video, it's more than enough to show you guys that are interested in that Note 10 or in picking one up and you want to protect it. Well, we got plenty of cases. I mean, just cases for days. I'm gonna have to clean that up, aren't I? And it messed up my focus. Anyway, those cases, there's plenty to go through. I mean, we got some slim ones. If you know, don't want to bulk up your device too much, you still want that sleek feel that the Note 10 offers, then iBlazin has you covered. That's where most of these cases are from. I have some special ones at the end that are from Subcase, and those are gonna provide you a bit more durability or ruggedness to your phone. If you're a dropper, you drop your phone a lot, stick around to the end because we got some dope cases that are gonna really protect your device. So laid out in front of you are a bunch of cases that iBlazin is currently offering. We'll grab my favorite one of the bunch. This is the black and gold one. What I really like about these cases is that the front provides a bit of flair. It's not just your standard, you know, black case. Instead, you get some color that wraps around and kind of just gives your phone a little bit more, you know, personality, if you will. Pick your favorite color, slap it on, maybe a wallpaper to match, and you're good to go. The back of this one is pretty much all clear, so it allows you to show off, you know, your Note 10. If you really like your cases to pop and stand out from the crowd, then you're gonna wanna go with iBlazin's Cosmo series cases. They're super bright and vivid. My favorite one here is the blue and gold one. Has a really unique look to it, and just like the other cases, it has a blue edge that wraps around the front. Again, giving your phone some personality. All these cases feel nice. They're a combination of like plastic with like a TPU kind of soft material. It's not extremely soft and flimsy. It's gonna give your phone some protection against drops and things like that while keeping down on the bulk. These are for those people that want that slim, sleek look, but also want a bit of protection. If you're looking for a case that can take a beating and protect your phone, then you're gonna wanna look at Subcase. Now, these guys are making some super dope looking rugged cases. This white one is my favorite. It's white and gray. Again, you get that same kind of colored bevel around the front edge. It looks really nice and it's super durable. They come with a belt clip so you can slap the phone on, clip it to your belt. If you're a construction worker or somebody that's out and about, you know, climbing and whatever, I don't know. If you always drop your phone, these are not a bad option, and I actually really like the way they look. They're not super bulky like, you know, let's say OtterBox or anything like that, but they're definitely gonna provide great amount of drop protection, and the front of these cases kind of have a lip to them, so if you know, drop your phone face first onto the concrete, this is gonna protect it really nicely. I think I'm gonna rock the white and gray one. Out of all these cases, it's my favorite. If you want the slimmest possible case that you can get from Subcase, then this teal and dark blue one is gonna be your go-to. This one is pretty much just your basic slip-on TPU case. The back is clear see-through, so you can kind of show off some of those crazy colors that Samsung is toting with their new Note 10s. Overall, a whole range of different cases and things like that for you guys to check out. Let me know if you guys are planning on picking up a Note 10 or 10 Plus. Also, let me know what your favorite case is from the cases we showed today. Anyways, as always, links to everything will be down in that description. I'm out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.